Hello, my name's Paul Geary. I'm based in Nottingham in the UK and the founder of AqGas Group. I've developed a flow-through electrode technology, and this is what I'm showing you here today. This was the original rig that we developed 3 years ago and proved the technology works. We use this now for developing different types of electrodes, and we use aerospace waste now to manufacture electrodes, so that's recycling of aerospace waste, and we can produce a very good efficient electrode that's of high quality at low cost.
Primarily perhaps the technical, scientific and compliance challenges from some of our blue chip clients, and then also, for instance, siting from the planning regime upwards, and then keeping up with the advanced manufacturing as well, because that's a constant curve of learning that we can apply to our machines.
So we're looking at Energy Leap to support us in entering the Indian market. What that means is that we've got particular technologies that we want to look at deploying over in India and also manufacturing locally. Energy Leap are supporting us by identifying potential partners and companies where there are synergies, and also looking at customers for us as well.
In the future here at Exorption, we're exploring dedicated renewables to hydrogen production, be that solar or wind, and also, for instance, specialist use cases for electrolysis within the fusion sector. We also plan to expand and show how our electrolyzers are different to others and can really reach at scale the use cases both here and in India, and to understand how the hard to decarbonize areas can be helped by locating our electrolyzers there.